Hello everyone, good morning to all. My name is Thiyagarajan from AML department. Today we are going to discuss about an simulation of push button and LED with the Proteus software. We have to develop and program using Proteus software and we can connect with an IoT board using a push button function. We are going to light on and light off the LED. Let us discuss with the problem. Um, we we develop a program using STM32 Cube program. Here we can import main.h std bool.h push button. We have to declare and void a push button and then button status boolean. It returns the value boolean value, so it is declared as bool. And we have another function name system for configuration for configure it is configure on time. Then we have more functions related to the system which was already given in the STM32. We have to declare a main function. Let us go with the main function. The push button function is the function we have to declare. Using that we can light on the LED. Here we can see that button status, that the boolean value variable we are declared. We can read the pin by using this code fall underscore gpio underscore read pin. Using this function read pin gpio underscore read pin, we can read the values. First of all, initially, um, this button status is 1, which means LED is off. When we are reading, uh, when we are reading, if the button is pressed, it will light. It will change to 0, which means LED will on. Here we can GPIO C, which is connected in C port, and GPIO pin is here pin PZ13. If the button status is equal to 0, if the button is clicked, it will reflect in the boolean variable, that is button status, which will update to 0. Uh, when it is update to 0, this function we are going to write fall underscore gpio underscore write pin, which means this function will light on the LED by doing this command. Here we can give GPIO A, which is connected to the A port, and the pin is 5 GPIO underscore 5. Here we are giving GPIO underscore pin underscore set. It will set and reset on the based on the configuration time that is declared before the function. Here we can see system clock configure. And then if the button is not equal to 0, button status, which means if the button is not clicked, then it remains same, that we can use this else function and we can do the reset option. When it is pressed, we can set the option, otherwise we can reset it. Here we can see system clock configuration, which is already defined in the STM32. That is on the program side, which means on the time it will configure and set and reset. That process it will done in this void function system clock configuration. Okay, next. Um, in this function static void ms, we can write the function hall underscore gpio underscore write pin. Here we can see the gpio is set to the A port, and the pin is set to the 5 PC5, which is a reset. Once the function is used and that push button function is used, it continues to the reset state. When it is clicked, it will light on. Otherwise, it will reset to the 1 state. Button state is equal to 1. When it is pressed, it will update to 0 and the lights will on. That's all we are deals with this program. because the remaining program it will be available in the STM32 program. Uh, this is the main function we have studied. Let us see the diagram. In this diagram, it's showing lights off, which means here we connect the recorder apparatus instruments available in the Proteus software. Here you can see there are a lot of pins PA 0 to PA15, which are a lot of pins. And when we write a program, according to the program, we can connect the wire to the resistors and the LED switches also. Here we can see PA5 is connected, PC1 is connected to the switch that we can see, which is not touching. Here we can see the switch is not touching, which is away from the joint node. When the program is run, an intimation will go and it will come close. The circuit will close and the LED will go that you can see here. And that's all. And this is the Proteus software. And we can lay out this Proteus software as an screenshot and we can do the experiment. Thanks for watching. Thank you.